Put it up to the
To the lid.
Yeah. Right there. Alright, so then take 2 tablespoons. I don't measure actually. I just take
You just take enough and release it too.
Yeah, I take it like this. I stir it in. I do 2 of them, but it's plenty. And I'll take another one. And I stir it till it's when I start doing this, I turn
You
it on,
already
so
turned
it's
it
already
on.
warm.
Oh, okay.
And actually what I do, I didn't do it for you today, is I put this in the blender for a minute and 11 seconds.
Oh,
A minute and
okay.
15 seconds. Get this a little warm. Starts a little, be really, really thick when you take it out. So after the 8 hours is up, it'll blink. You
Oh,
just
okay.
unplug it.
And
It
then
doesn't have a switch to shut it off once it's.
oh, okay. So you just
Yep,
unplug it,
plug it, yeah.
and then that's when you take it out and start.
So I take it out. Well, I take it out and I let it cool off first, and then maybe an hour or so later I'll put it in there. And then this goes on. Now this used to, when I first got it, you're supposed to like
Make sure it has
make
a.
sure it's on, but it's supposed to make it like a vacuum thing so you can lift it up. But I
Oh,
don't do it like
okay,
that.
yeah, I don't
I'm
trust
afraid
that.
it'll break. And I hold it like this, and I get it close to it, and I lift it up, and then I take my hand out just
And then put it
before.
in.
So if it falls, it's not, and it will break fairly easily.
Oh, okay. So then that's 8 hours.
Yeah,
And
so
let
8
it cool.
Mhm.
Put it in the
Yep.
strainer.
And in the strainer, you don't have to, but it will fill up over that, so it'll be sitting in that.
Right.
So rather than have it sitting in that, I empty this a few times. You want to try it without anything?
Yeah.
Mondo.
Oh, I
It's really neat.
do.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to remind you.